CSX, railgun labeled as CSXT, ITFX, BO, well, B&O. CSX, railgun, CSX, holy new car! They've got a new gun, holy crap. Sorry if it's not the way it should look, but I gotta get a picture of that. There's another new one. Quite a surprise here on the short line. Sorry, those were just some railguns and lumber. There was nothing wrong with that up there. Pretty banged up. This is like a 50-car long train, maybe more. Oh, sorry, it was tilted. Alright, see you in Claire. Bye.